Hi, I'm Rachel Wallace and I am the Assistant Principal at Beverley Hills Primary School in East Doncaster. So before, the facade of school was just asphalt, really ageing asphalt. It's a 60-year-old school, and our purpose was to create a PE undercover play space, which has been used so much throughout the time when we've got it last year. And we use it for our assemblies, so we have whole school assemblies down there. We've had our footy parade, we've had our Chinese New Year celebrations. Today is a wet weather timetable, so a whole year level can be outside. You don't have to keep everyone inside. A whole year level gets to use that play space. It has just been such a valuable asset to our school to be able to have a structure for children to be able to play under. So I've been a PE teacher here for 23 years, so it's always been my dream to be able to have that space to teach PE. I reached out to a number of companies to present and give us a quote on a roof structure to be built over the top of our basketball courts to create a fantastic play space for the children and really to lift our school grounds. And the tenders then selected Entegra to go ahead. Their workmanship, they were on time. That structure was up within 4 weeks and it was amazing. And we had actually a slow-mo video to be able to show the children of how the works was getting completed, which was awesome because it all happened over the September-October school holidays. It's an all year round facility. We can use it for any big event. Coming up will be our art show, and we're looking at having the whole art show outside, COVID safe now. We've had our Mother's Day breakfast down there, and the students then sang. We set up a stage down there and they sang to the mums, and coming up will be the Father's Day breakfast, so we'll be bacon and eggs, and everyone else being able to play and be in that space all together is just amazing.